guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing, or I guess working on the Z again. So if you guys saw in the previous video, or a while ago actually, a lot of videos back, I did a cheap trunk setup. And the video did really well on views, but there was a lot of hate comments. So I don't know if you guys all knew this, but that trunk setup was just mainly to do a quick, easy, fast, cheap trunk setup just to get it to look nice, right? I just wanted to do that kind of video for the people who obviously can't afford to put money into a trunk setup or pay someone to do it. So that was just me doing it the cheap route. Now I'm officially going to be doing a not so cheap route, like a mid-range. I don't know, I'm just trying to do my own trunk setup and see how it goes. It drift build, so I don't really care how it turns out, but obviously I'm going to try my best. I've never done anything like that, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try today. And so after this clip, I kind of already started the trunk setups. After this clip, I'm going to be putting in time-lapse clips. Whoa. Me putting in time-lapse clips of me basically cutting out the wood, getting thicker wood, getting new material to lay down and everything, all this and that. But yeah, so after this gonna be a bunch of clips of me working on the trunk setup, and then also I'm gonna update you guys along the way. Alright, we got Damien here. We got Austin. Caught doing drugs again. Anyway, so we glued this. What is it? What do I call this? Carpet? Not even carpet. I don't know what to call this. We vinyl type deal. I don't know, we glued it to this piece of wood, so it's like nice and fresh. Laminate. I don't know what he's saying. And the sub's gonna go on top of that. Right now, we put the interior back together, half of it. We drilled down the amp, tucked all the wires the best we could. And now I'm debating on putting some lights in here. So I'm thinking, because last time I put them outside the plastic, they're too bright. So I think I'm going to mount them behind right here. And then the little cover that goes right there, it's vented. Hopefully not blind me. But the question is, where are those vents? I know. Sheesh! And it's done.
I would put a porthole in there. So
Yeah, don't mind the edges. There was enough wood.
So it can suck some air in.
I might just cut some more wood up tomorrow or another day. Fit those right there. Hey, but it kind of looks good though with all the interior back in.
Awesome.
And the lights that are hidden.
A small little porthole, that's gonna hit hard.